Going to study our 1.2 on to the summit we reach the top written by Tenzing. In passage number 3, the Hillary and Tenzing they sign a pact. Pact means agreement. Pact means agreement in the office of the Prime Minister of Nepal on 22nd June 1953. Before going on this expedition, Tenzing and Hillary they signed the agreement on 22nd June 1953 in the office of the Prime Minister of Nepal in Kathmandu. Then what happened? They reached on 29th May 1953 on the summit. They reached the Mount Everest. Then what happened? They were overjoyed after reaching there. They became very much happy and at this success, because prior to this 6 times Tenzing he was failed to climb on the Mount Everest. On the 7th visit he got the success. So after reaching there he gave gratitude to the Almighty God who has now accepted him on his 7th attempt. 6 times he was failed. So it is a very great honor for Tenzing and Hillary to get this success. Then what happened? Hillary took the photograph of Tenzing. When they reached there, he took the photograph of Tenzing. In this way, there was happiness. Then next, after reaching the summit, Tenzing signed the paper. Paper means what? He was given some document by the office of the Prime Minister of Nepal. After reaching there, he signed the expedition paper, his mission paper, and there he gave his signature. It means what? Now the mission has become successful. Officially he signed the paper. So these are the main idea of the passage number 3. Now we will see the text. When we reached Kathmandu, we discovered that a controversy had arisen. We talked it over. Hillary, Colonel Hunt and I, we agreed that all the talk was childish. What happened? The people they started discussing that who reached first, whether Tenzing or Hillary. So according to the writer, that talk was childish. Okay, so they refuted that talk. They rejected that. So we made a pact that each of us signed it in the office of the Prime Minister of Nepal. Each one signed his own statement. I have a copy of Hillary statement which I carry in my pocket. So both of them Hillary and Tenzing they signed the official document in the Prime Minister's office, and then they left Camp 9, and later on they were successfully reached at the mission. Next, it reads Kathmandu, June 22, 1953. On May 29, Tenzing Sherpa and I left our high camp on Mount Everest for our attempt on the summit. As we climbed upwards to the south summit, first one and then the other would take a turn at leading. First they, after reaching at the top of the mountain, Mount Everest, they went on the south summit, south direction. They selected the south summit. They reached on the south summit. Summit is a height, on the south height of the Mount Everest, south side. Then what happened? First one and then the other would take a turn at leading. We crossed over the south summit and moved along the summit ridge. We reached the summit almost together. We embraced each other, overjoyed at our success. Then I took photograph of Tenzing holding aloft the flag of the Great Britain, Nepal, United Nations and India. Ridge means long narrow piece of raised land. Ridge. Long narrow piece of raised land. Piece of raised land. Ridge. Then what happened? Later on, when they reached on the summit, so Tenzing he was having the 4 flag in his pocket. he took out that flag, and they kept they placed it on the summit of the Mount Everest. One was United Kingdom, one belongs to Nepal, one belongs to New Zealand, and one belongs to India. There were 4 flags. As a mark of honor, they placed the flag on the Mount Everest summit. Then what happened next? Then I took the flag and holding it on the flag of the Great Britain, Nepal, United Nation, and India. There is another paper like this in English signed by me. Thus, we will not take a part